Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about GoHighLevel Free Trial. So how you can create an account and you can take the free trial from GoHighLevel. So it will be a complete step-by-step guideline and a quick tutorial. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our GoHighLevel platform, and here you can see we are in business of helping you grow your business. So it is a complete options to do your or grow your business. So how you can ask for the free trial here, when you will landed in GoHighLevel.com, you will get this button to see that 14-day free trial, no obligations, no contracts, cancel at any time. And here you can see the features: free 14-day trial of high level, a free onboarding kickoff call, 24/7 live Zoom support and success, access to executive training videos and course to master high level. Here you just need to click over here in this place, and here you just need to provide your address. Let's provide my address. Company name is We Are Digital, then full name will be this, Rahman. Our email address, I'm going to copy my email address from the mailbox, so I will copy this one. So here I'll copy that and then I'll paste it here, and I will give a random number. Give me random number. So click this, and here actually I will get the number. So here this is the citizen one. Okay, I think this one will be good. I'll copy this one and then I'll paste it here, and then click to the copy to the next step, and it will redirect us to that place. And here you can see this is the trip details. High level starter plan, you can go to the unlimited plan, you can go this one, high level SaaS Pro plan. So it's totally depend on you. You can see their price panel. So you are getting 14-day free trial. You just need to provide your card details, then you just need to select all these necessary things. So I will give a random like card details, MasterCard, and let's hit enter, and here actually we will get MasterCard. So click here, what is MasterCard details generator, and here I will hit enter, and credit card number generator online. So American Express, Jason, just click to the generation, and here actually we get the number. I'll copy this one, then I will paste it the card number here, and then I'll provide the CVC. So they are telling us to provide the month and year. The month 10/25, 10/25, 10/25. CVC is 398398, and save to the link. Then you just need to click on start for trial, and you are good to go with this free plan. It is really easy to do this thing. So I hope now you understand how you can claim for 40 days free trial in GoHighLevel platform. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.